Hi friends. So friends, if you're thinking of giving your floors a stylish and affordable, PVC vinyl floor tiles might just be the perfect choice for you. So in this video, I'm going to cover the advantages, the pricing and some important tips to keep in mind before installation. So let's get started. Actually nowadays PVC vinyl flooring is becoming popular in Indian homes and even in the office shops because it has some beautiful advantages. Like first one is the waterproof, which is perfect for even kitchens and basements also. Another advantage is it's budget friendly, which gives a premium look without breaking your pocket. It is easy to install, comes with the peel and stick or interlocking options. Another one is low maintenance, just mop or vacuum to keep it looking new. And it is soft and slightly cushioned compared to the ceramic styles. Available in multiple designs, like you can see in this video, from wooden textures to marble finishes, the choices are endless. The cost of PVC vinyl tiles in India usually starts from around 30 rupees to 60 rupees per square feet, depending upon the thickness of the tile, type of backing, brand and design quality. The installation charges may be extra, but it can easily you can install also. Just peel the sticker and easily you can stick to the floor. Or if you want to hire a professional, he will charge 10 to 12 rupees per square feet. So points to remember before installing that is s- always surface preparation is the key point, because the floor must be clean, level and dry. Avoid direct sunlight, so contrast exposure can cause fading or warping. Keep the tiles in the room for 24 to 48 hours before installation to let them adjust to the temperature. And always use a roller after installation. This ensures proper adhesion and removes air bubbles. Check for the moisture, especially in the basements, so use a moisture barrier if needed. So friends, that's everything you need to know about the PVC vinyl flooring tiles, which are affordable, stylish and practical. So friends, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. For more interior design and ideas, please subscribe to my channel. And friends, if you have any doubts, if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want a details guide on how to install these tiles yourself,